So I get this phone call from a cousin of mine, and she was talking about this product called Thrive. She said, Nichole, I'm not taking no for an answer. I know that this is gonna change your life. I know that this is gonna help you. So I said, you know, what the heck? What is it gonna hurt? I was what you would call one of those day one thrivers. The first person that actually noticed the changes in me was my children. Because this time it wasn't me getting off work and then running to the recliner and sitting down on my heating pad with my feet up. Our family time consisted of watching the Disney Channel. And after day one of taking my 3-step morning regimen with Thrive, I came home, I was cooking dinner, I was dancing around with my children. And instead of running to that recliner to watch TV, I wanted to go outside and I wanted to play with them. And my children were the first one that noticed. They were like, Mom, I don't know what this is, but I love this new person.